All right, so we're going to be drilling holes in this cabinet so we can put shelves in. It's probably easier to do this before you put the face frame on and when it's detached from the wall. But another pretty easy way to do it is I'll show you. You're going to cut pieces of wood at a length. I'm doing 9 inches, 18 inches, and the top is 27 inches. It's going to be 27. So the jig, this is from Craig Jig. Between the bottom and the middle of the first hole is an inch. So I cut this first piece of wood 8 inches. So that's going to put me right there at 9. Again, I cut it 17 inches, which is an inch short of 18. And as long as your cabinet is level, all of these should be perfectly the same. All right, let's see how we did. Perfect. Well, I was saying the other way is easier by putting holes when you don't have the face frame when it's on the ground, but I think I changed my mind. Just build your cabinet up, put it up there, put the face frames, and get your spacers. Because this took me probably 5 minutes to drill these holes, and it's perfectly level. So these are going to be my shelves. Again, all these are going to be painted white. I'm going to put some banding on the front so it's all seamless. They're going to be held up with these little pins. I'm using the Craig Jig system, so these pins go in there and they sit on it. What I like to do is router out. I lay these on there, get a pencil, mark where they're at. Then I grab my router and set the depth where it will inset into the shelf. And I think that gives it a better, more of a custom look when they're inset, so you don't see those pins. I'll show you real quick. So now when you set your shelf in there, you won't be able to see the pins. So this is how it looks with router out shelving. So the other way, in router out, it would look like that. So I like the little touches to look more custom. Like that.